General and specialized nurse staffing companies can factor their receivables for cash quickly and easily. Your staffing agency qualifies if you bill hospitals, medical clinics, physicians' offices, or any other kind of medical facility. What's more, you can use nurse staffing factoring to gain access to working capital needed to cover payroll and stay on top of your payroll taxes. You simply have to sell your invoices, and then within hours you should get paid up to 90% of the amount of your invoices. New or growing businesses can benefit with nurse staffing factoring. All kinds of nurse staffing companies can benefit from factoring, including general nurse staffing agencies, locum tenens staffing companies, home health care agencies, private duty nursing agencies, and home care companies, just to name a few. Getting started with a nurse staffing factoring company is easy. First, Factor Finders pairs you with a specialized factoring agency. Next, once you've already billed your clients, you will send a copy of your invoices along with signed timesheets to your nurse staffing factor. For new clients, the nurse staffing factor will set a credit limit based on that client's creditworthiness. For clients that the nurse staffing factor has already worked with, you will receive up to 95% of the value of the invoices within 24 hours. Your client will remit payment directly to your factor. And finally, upon receipt of payments, the nurse staffing factoring company will subtract its fees, and then you are paid the reserve amount. Call 1-855-FACTOR1 today to get started.